Here's how to fix the Steam Disk Write error. So first, you need to completely close the Steam application from your device. Then after, open your Task Manager. You can go ahead and search for Task Manager. Now in the Processes tab, if you see any Steam processes, right-click on it and then select End Task option. Also switch to the Details tab, which is between users and services. Locate any steam.exe file. Then after, right-click on it and again select End Task option or End Process Tree. Then close the Task Manager and next run your Steam as an administrator. Search for Steam, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator, give administrative privileges, and then launch your Steam application. Once the Steam reopens, check your download region and clear the download cache. For that, in Steam, you need to go to the top left corner and select Steam. Then from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Go to the Download section, which is between Library and Storage. Ensure that the correct download region is selected from the drop-down menu. If not, you can go ahead and select any one and then restart your Steam application. Scroll down and there you'll get the section of Clear Download Cache. Go ahead and select Clear Cache, then select Confirm, and you'll be done. Now this will shut down your Steam, update it, and restart it. This will fix the corrupted download files on Steam. And after the Steam restarts, try downloading or updating your game again. And if the error still persists, you need to reinstall Steam. You can go ahead, select Add or Remove Programs. From here, scroll down, find Steam and select it. Now select Uninstall and select OK to confirm. And then reinstall Steam and try again. One of the steps should definitely help you resolve the problem. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.